It's so impressive in the air, it catches your eye from the ground. This ultra-easy plane has the same name as that of the migratory bird called Vanellus vanellus. In the air, this plane is almost as perfect as its natural prototype. So say the pilots who had an opportunity to rise with this machine into the air. MP02 Czajka is the latest product of the company Aerocross from Poland. It is a pure extract of the many years' experience of this company in design and construction of planes with epoxy composition armed with carbon filaments and glass. The name is descended from the migratory bird and excellent proportions of the cabin. The compact composition supplements the stabilizer in the arrangement T. Thanks to this classical high-wing monoplane is recognizable among other ultralight planes. We know why this plane is so beautiful. It poses similar classical proportions to those inventions of the ancient Greeks. Constructors from Krosno took those proportions into projecting the plane. The wing spread of the Czajka pivot in relation to the length of the plane is situated in the classical section of the proportion 6 by 9. This assures the perfect bearing surface over 10 square meters. With this machine one can fly far and almost for free, like with a glider. Thanks to the special construction of the thatch of the plane, called the sandwich, Czajka can withstand pretty big pressure, from the +4 to -2G. The machine is driven by an excellent engine, checked in different conditions, Rotax 912. The engine has 100 horsepower. That will do Czajka up to the flight of about 100 meters after takeoff. At 100 horsepower, the mounted Rotax engine Czajka has quite good parameters of climbing. Not so much ultralight as the high-wing monoplanes. At its entire weight, almost 500 kilograms, it can climb 7 meters per second. The constructors of Czajka succeeded to combine in this machine many advantages. It is a plane which can be refueled at every car gas station, which possesses the premium gasoline 95 star of octane. Czajka is a super economic plane. It burns as much as a medium price car, but travels a greater distance. Without refueling, it can fly a distance of 1,500 kilometers. Czajka has a 3-point chassis with a torsional front wheel. The main wheel is equipped with disc brakes. The Czajka cabin can contain 2 adults. The plane is equipped with a dual control system. It can be piloted from both seats, with the additional element of the parachute rescue system. Everyone in this plane can feel safe. It is assembled as standard. The standard equipment of the piloting navigational system contains the speed indicator, the altimeter, the compass, the engine controlled temperature indicators of liquid and oils, the pressure of oil, the RPM indicator, and the fuel gauge. Czajka constructors foresaw the possibility of mounting the electronic devices for piloting radio navigation. There is also the place for additional supervisory measuring devices for keeping record of the working period and the parameters of the engine. These devices can be assembled within the framework of the accessories. Assembled extras at customers' request can include landing lights, navigation lights and light collision, variometer, clinometer and transverse, an electronic record keeper of the working period, plus engine parameters, electronic pilot devices, wireless, navigational, glass cockpit, transponder, air broadcasting station, artificial horizon and GPS. The Czajka is a very resistant construction. Outwardly, it has to be used for the towage of gliders. The people who have flown the Czajka have commented on its excellent appearance, and the parameters of the plane are matched by the comfort and ease of piloting this machine. With the Czajka you can fly literally like taking a small walk, with the minimum speed 64 kilometers per hour. Equally splendid, it keeps at the economic speed of 165 kilometers per hour and a maximum speed 230 kilometers per hour. This plane can also be a familiar plane. Aerocross can add the suitable colour to the upholstery and varnish the plane, as according to the customer's wishes.